All right, today is day 8, and on day 8 we are going to clean the stinky shoes, because let's be real, no one's feet smell good. So we're going to be using the Sports Enzyme. Now, if I was my son, I would have a cleaning brush with me and all this other stuff. If my shoes get really dirty, I just hand them to him and he scrubs them clean, because that's his thing. I'm just going to spray them and dust them off because I do have leather shoes. Majority of my leather shoes are actually downstairs, so we'll be going there too. But we're going to deal with these ones because these are the ones we wear all the time and they do not smell good. Okay? Okay. Okay. Nice and easy. This is going to be real quick. We're just going to take our Sports Enzyme here, and we're going to spray in the shoes. Now, because mine's slightly broken, I have to hold this down. Sorry. I have to hold that down. I have to hold this down. In order to spray it, it's a pain in the butt. But we're just going to give each shoe a good spray. This is one of my pairs of my leather shoes. Oh, they smell good already. We're just going to go in with the dust cloth here. We're just going to wipe them off. Okay, all right. We're going to repeat the process. Be right back. Okay, so all of these shoes are sprayed and cleaned, and I did organize them. Now cleaning them, I just kind of gave them a little wipe, you know. Okay, now let's go downstairs to my other shoes that are leather shoes that I know they need cleaning. Okay. So now we're down to these shoes. So this pair here is suede. Just gonna wipe these down. You know, these are so comfortable. Okay, anyway. Wipe them down. Again, these are just leather. And if anyone's wondering, these are just Dr. Scholl's shoes. Nothing fancy. But they don't hurt my feet. So I can wear these kind of dress shoes and they don't hurt. Okay, polished. Now let's get the inside, because my feet do not smell like roses, let me tell you. But now they smell like roses. Well, no, they don't. They smell like this, but anyway. Okay, so day 8, done. Shoes are cleaned. We'll be back tomorrow with another cleaning video. All right? All right. Have a good one.